This is Mrs. Raff from Mount Tabor, and today I bring you If Sharks Disappeared by Lily Williams. Front cover, back cover. And here are the end pages. Brown sharks, mackerel sharks. Title page, If Sharks Disappeared. This is a healthy ocean. It is a balanced environment where many different animals and plants live. The ocean is home to a lot of creatures, big, small, slimy, cute, and scary. Sharks have helped keep our oceans balanced for about 450 million years. Over that time, they evolved into the more than 400 different species that exist today. This is a pictorial timeline. Sharks are apex predators, which means they are at the top of the food chain in their ecosystem, the ocean. Losing an apex predator species can cause devastating effects in the environment. Today, roughly between 1/4 and 1/3 of shark species are vulnerable to extinction because of overfishing. What could happen if this continues and sharks disappear altogether? If sharks disappeared, the ocean would no longer be balanced. Though different species have different diets, most sharks typically eat sick, slow, or weak prey, leaving the healthy animals to reproduce. If sharks disappeared, the population of seals, sea lions, and other pinnipeds would potentially explode. At higher populations, they would eat more and more fish, and eventually, once there aren't any fish left, they'd starve and die out as well. If fish and pinnipeds disappeared, plankton, which is what many fish that are lower on the food chain eat, could quickly grow out of control. That could make the ocean a thick sludge. Nothing could survive in this water. If the ocean became unlivable, many species of land animals that rely on the ocean for food, such as seabirds and polar bears, could starve and die out. This loss of those animals could cause still more species further inland to die out. This pattern of cause and effect, called a trophic cascade, could spread like a wave across countries and continents until animals around the globe were affected, from bees to birds to bears, and eventually to us. All species depend on one another to survive by keeping our planet's ecosystems in balance. And luckily today, sharks still exist. Sharks inhabit all the oceans of the earth. Here is a map. The Pacific, the Atlantic, the Southern, the Indian, and the Arctic Oceans. If we remember that we are all connected and if we work together, sharks and our whole planet as we know it will thrive, and maybe we'll see that what once seemed so scary isn't so scary at all. And at the end of the book, the author gives some more information. Sharks are in trouble. An estimated 100 million sharks are killed every year. Most of them are used to make shark fin soup, a Chinese Vietnamese delicacy. Though shark fins have no taste or nutritional value, they can be sold for a lot of money. So many sharks are killed that roughly 1/3 of the species are now under threat of extinction. Sharks are also killed for their teeth, jaws, livers, skin, and cartilage. These parts are used in dietary supplements, skincare products, cosmetics, and leather goods. Non-selective fishing methods like netting, trawling, where a boat drags a net through the water or along the ocean floor, and longlining, where one main fishing line dangles many smaller lines with hooks, also kill large numbers of sharks. Sometimes people even kill sharks out of fear, thinking that having fewer of them in the oceans will keep people safer in the water. The truth is, people are more likely to be killed by a disease-carrying mosquito, a cow, a vending machine, a horse, a bee sting, or falling off their bed than they are to be killed by a shark. How can you help save sharks? Well, you can be a conscious consumer. Don't buy products containing shark in any form, such as shark fin soup, shark liver oil, shark teeth, jaws, or cartilage. Buy only fish that were caught sustainably, which means that not too many fish were caught at one time or in a way that harmed the ocean environment. Stay up to date on news about sharks and know that when laws are being passed. Tell your government representatives you want better protection for sharks and marine life. Travel to or learn more about places that support shark education. Support causes that support sharks. Get involved with global and local shark advocacy programs or start one of your own. Create shark art. So I hope you enjoyed the book. Here are the end pages with some more shark illustrations. And I hope you'll give sharks some thought. Have a great day.